Hi, welcome to my channel. If you need a word-to-word transcript of a YouTube video and you do not want to spend hours for hectic writing and listening the videos, in this video I will guide you to how to get complete transcript from a video in just one click. Yes, the method is very simple, you just have to follow me. Click on the video of which you need transcript. Now locate these three dots, click on it and search for transcript tab. Click on it and separate bar having auto-generated transcript will be opened. If you don't need timestamps, then you can click here and now you will get transcript without timestamp. Just copy it and paste it in your notepad. Suppose you are on mobile or cannot use this method, then there is another alternate method and it is way easy than the previous one. If you have liked this video so far, then you can like this video or subscribe my channel. Now, just write on Google down sub and click on the first link. Now copy the URL of the video and paste here. Click on download and wait for a few seconds. Here you have two options, either download as SRT or download as text. I will go for text. With one click you have downloaded your transcript of this video. If you want to know how to create stunning pictures for your upcoming project from Midjourney completely free, check this video you are seeing right now on screen. In this video I have given 3 legit methods to get Midjourney for free. I wish you very good luck. Stay blessed.